Morning guys, to this video guys, luto tayo ng ulam dito sa aking tindahan. Pork menudo guys. May luto na rin akong pritong isda. Next natin yung ating adobong baboy. May display na tayo guys. Yung ating pork menudo at yung ating pritong isda. Ang nakasalang ko guys yung ating adobong baboy. At yung isa guys yung ating Bicol Express. Yan guys, update lang guys. Yan guys, yung ating Bicol Express luto na guys. Nilagay ko na lahat ng ingredients. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. God bless all.